Install the TikTok Shop connector by SPL from Shopify App Store. After installation, the dashboard will appear. In order to completely sync your TikTok Shop, you'll have to complete these 4 steps. In first step, click on the Connect to TikTok Shop button. If your TikTok Shop is in the US, choose the first option. Otherwise, select the global option that applies to you. You'll be redirected to an authorization page. In step 2, set up currency and region. Ensure your TikTok Shop details match your Shopify market. Select the appropriate Shopify market. If you're unable to find the market, click here, and you can add a new market in TikTok Shop. Set up currency and language to keep everything aligned. For next step, connect your warehouse. To sync your Shopify inventory, you'll need at least one warehouse set up in your TikTok Shop. Choose the warehouse you wish to connect. If you don't have any connected warehouse, click here, and you'll be redirected to TikTok, where you can add warehouse. Decide whether to select a specific location or all. For now, let's go with all locations to keep it simple. Now your Shopify inventory is synced with your TikTok Shop warehouse. In last step, set up product dimensions and weight. To ensure a smooth shopping experience, we'll set up product dimensions and weight. This step is crucial. If any Shopify product lacks these details, our app will automatically use the ones you specify here. Finally, select the plan that best suits your needs and continue. And that's it. You're all set to unleash the full potential of your TikTok Shop with Shopify. Happy selling!